Yeah guys, welcome to Onemaker studio where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. Sometimes you are watching videos and you really like the music, but you don't know what the name is and where to look for that piece of music. So guys, in this video I'll tell you all about those famous pieces of the music. For this, make sure to watch the video till the end. And I'll also tell you how to download music for free. So let's see 20 premium background music used by famous YouTubers that are non-copyrighted and that you can also use in your videos, that too for free.
First, go to your YouTube account and select YouTube Studio. Go to the inside the audio library and here search the audio song name. I am searching for my first song's name, which is Safety Net. This is our final result. To download, click on download.
So these were the top 25 background music used by some famous YouTubers. Which one did you like the most? Let us know in the comment below. And if you really want some more videos just like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.